Okay, I just hooked up my laptop to Changhong 50-inch LED, and as you can see, wow, the quality. I'm sure there's a lot of TVs that has a better quality than this, but you cannot beat this price. I mainly The purpose of buying this for me was using a laptop to monitor, because it was pretty cheap, and it's a 50-inch, but this is great. Okay, I'm gonna play a little video and show you the quality again. It looks good. Okay, I'm playing a movie called All Is Right, and it's again amazing quality. Okay, thank you for watching my video review and unboxing of Changhong 50-inch LED TV. The model number is LED50YC2000UA, and I want to recommend this TV to someone who wants to use it as a monitor of output, as an output of computer. That's why I bought it. I'm sure it's gonna work with the cable really well too, but I'm just satisfied with using HDMI cable. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and this was my first review of electronic repair and review. So please subscribe, and I'll be back with another video soon. Thank you, and bye bye.